How to stream on Kick via Streamlabs OBS. Streaming on Kick via Streamlabs is a great way for you to potentially build a dedicated audience that appreciates your unique content or style. Here's how to do it. So first things first, we're going to go to our browser, and in our browser we're going to log into kick.com. You make sure that you already have an account here, and once that's done, you're going to go here in your account, and then you're going to click Creator Dashboard just like this. And once you've opened your Creator Dashboard, you will see here on the leftmost corner it says Stream. We're going to go down below and click the settings, and we're going to click Stream Key. There you go, so that is their stream URL. We're going to copy this one, and then we're going to go back to our Streamlabs. Here in our Streamlabs, we're going to go to the settings here below, and we're going to go to the stream option. Once that's done, we're going to go down below and we're going to add a new destination. So we're going to call this destination Kick. And we're going to add the URL, the one that we copied earlier, and then we're going to go back to our Kick. Alright, here we go. We're going to copy the stream key this time, and then we're going to go back here and then paste it here. There you go, and then we're going to save it. Once that's done, you can then go ahead and close this one, and then you will be able to start going live with your Kick. And that is how you're going to stream on Kick via Streamlabs OBS. Hey, quick heads up, if you're into streaming, upgrading to Streamlabs Ultra is a smart move. Hit that link in the description box or the comment section below and score an instant $10 of discount. Easy peasy. If this video has been a help, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like before you go.